Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're going to shake things up a little bit. We're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do air fryer lemon pepper chicken thighs. I'm going to show you how I do that coming up right now. Okay, we got our ingredients here. What we got about 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs in our bowl here. First thing we're going to do, we're just going to drizzle just a little bit of oil, and it doesn't matter. You can use vegetable oil, you can use olive oil, you can use corn oil, you can use, just whatever kind of oil you got in your pantry there, you can use. Now, we're just gonna put, like I said, just a little bit. We just want to coat it. Notice I got gloves on because what we're gonna do, we're gonna just sort of rub this all around in our chicken here. Make sure our chicken gets coated in it. Now, try to hold it up where y'all can see what I'm doing there. I'm just rubbing around. Now, I did wash my chicken and pat it dry, but I did not trim the fat or anything like that. This just boneless, skinless chicken thighs. What I got here. And I'm gonna put just a couple more drops of oil in there. Since I got it stirred around just a little bit, I just want to be sure that I get some oil on all my chicken there. And then we're going to just rub that in. Just turn it up there where y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm just massaging it in, more or less. Just massage it in good. Make sure we get it all under the bottom, all over it. I'm going to do it one piece at a time here now, just to be sure that I get it all around. Like I said, it's just a pack, the boneless, skinless chicken thighs that come out of the grocery store. There's probably about 6 pieces in it, I think, 6, 7, something like that. I didn't count them. We'll see here in a second when we separate them all out. But and so what we're going to do, we're going to just lay them over on our air fryer rack here. Now you could do this. You could lay them out on a pan if you wanted to, but since I got my air fryer rack right here and it's the long rack, I'm gonna put them on there to season them. I got tinfoil on my bottom rack, so that after I get them seasoned, I can just take the tinfoil and just dump the excess seasoning that falls off of them, just dump it over into the garbage. So yeah, six of them is what it is. All right, now in this bowl right here, we have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a half teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to sort of mix that up good there with a finger or hand or whatever. Get it mixed up good. Get our paprika rubbed in there good. And we're going to just sprinkle us a little bit out on these. And we're going to be sort of generous. We're not going to try to be shy about it. We're going to be generous with them. But we want to get enough on there that we're going to do some good. We're going to just rub that in real good. And what that oil that we put on there does, that's not only going to make our chicken a little bit crispy, but it's going to also give that seasoning something to hold on to. And then we're just going to pick it up and we're just going to rub it good. Maybe get us just a little bit and put on the bottom there. We want to get it coated good and rubbed in good so that we get a good coating of seasoning on them. And we layer it down there. So we're going, like I said, we're going to cook this in the air fryer. So we just layer on back down on that rack. That's my air fryer rack. So we want to just lay them right back down on our air fryer rack there. And like I said, you can, if you don't have your rack, a long rack, if you got the kind air fryer that doesn't have the separate rack with it, then you can just lay them out on a platter or something like that to coat them. It'll be perfectly all right. It won't be no big deal. No harm, no foul. We just want to be sure we get a good coating on there. Yeah, we're gonna get a good coating on it. Try to get them turned red, and then we're gonna we get these here all done up. We'll bring you back and show you what we're gonna do. Put them in the air fryer. Okay, you see we got our chicken seasoned up good, and we got it seasoned on both sides there like it. Seasoned up real good. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this in the air fryer at 385 degrees for 20 minutes. Now, if you don't have 385 degrees on yours, you can go up to 400. We're going to do it 20 minutes. Also, if you don't have the rack like this where the chicken can cook from both sides, if you have the basket that you have to lay it down flat, you'll want to flip it over after 10 minutes and then cook an additional 10 minutes on the other side. If you got a rack like this, like the grill rack or whatever though, you really don't have to do that because it'll cook both sides anyway. But anyway, we're going to cook 20 minutes, 385 degrees, and we'll bring you back at that point and show you the next step. Okay, we got our chicken out of the air fryer there, and it's still hot. I just took it out of the air fryer. What I got here, I got a half a stick of butter melted. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of parsley in, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning. So 1 teaspoon of parsley, 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning. Now, you know, I may get a little heavy on my lemon pepper seasoning, but that's okay because I like lemon pepper. But yeah, that's and a half stick butter. We're just going to sort of stir that around there. If my phone will be quiet there, then we're going to stir that around, get it mixed up real good. And we're just going to brush it on top there. Brush it right on top of our chicken. We're going to put us a good coat on there. We're going to flip it over and we're going to do the other side. We're going to do both sides like this. Brush it on really, really good. And that's really going to let that lemon pepper stand out. You see, we're not going light on it. So, y'all want to try this recipe? Extremely good. We're going to flip them over and we're going to do the bottom side as well. Not going to stand here and make you watch me do both sides. We're going to do the bottom side as well. And then we'll bring you back whenever we get the bottom done and we get ready to do a taste test. Okay, we got our butter and lemon pepper mixture spread on both sides. You can see what it looks like there. I mean, it looks extremely well. Let me move it on up there where y'all can see what it looks like there. Yeah, there you go. Really, really good. And we're going to cut into it here. We're going to cut us off a piece of it and we're going to taste it. Man, mouth's watering. I know it's hot though. Man, you ain't ate lemon pepper chicken till you taste that. If that ain't the best lemon pepper chicken you ever put in your mouth, I don't know what is. Y'all give this recipe a try. If you would, give the video a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel if you would. We appreciate all of you that do. We appreciate all of you that take time out of your day to watch our videos. Air fryer lemon pepper chicken. We'll see you on the next one.